As air travel continues to grow, passengers expect a seamless and hassle-free experience that prioritizes convenience and efficiency. But as your baggage handling systems evolve and become increasingly interconnected, so do the complexities of managing your operations effectively. What if there was a way to not only keep your operations running, but to make them run better, no matter the various operational challenges that you might be facing? The traditional break-and-fix approach to operations and maintenance is no longer enough to sustain your rapidly changing environment. It's time to embrace a new mindset that takes a proactive and value-focused methodology to not just survive, but thrive in today's dynamic business environment. High-Tech Operations is an enhancement to Brock Solutions' existing incident response engagement, designed to help you supplement your current staff, fill in knowledge gaps, and provide efficiencies around existing operations while fostering continuous improvements and long-term relationships. Through high-tech operations, we can drive meaningful changes and valuable impacts across your entire operation. We'll help you minimize vulnerabilities, accelerate innovation, and ultimately bring ongoing savings to your bottom line. Leveraging our breadth of industry knowledge, our engineers are highly trained in the technology and processes unique to your system. They'll gain site-specific knowledge through a cumulative education and a broad structure of organizational support. We embed our local and distributed teams of engineers into your operational environment and leverage our project teams to understand your unique challenges before becoming an essential part of your day-to-day operations. We then continuously engage, analyze, and implement measures such as training, software updates, and innovative solutions to reduce system inefficiencies and ineffective business processes that slow down operations and negatively impact your bottom line. Go Live is just the beginning. As more technology enters the operational environment, how your systems are leveraged to drive business value is key. We offer a comprehensive suite of services and solutions to help you streamline your operations and maximize their efficiency, tailored around your organization's specific needs and goals. So don't let your operations fall behind. Contact us to learn more about high-tech operations today.